Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. In my last video, I said that I'm going to make the gold video, but I did got busy with something, and now I'm making this video about US dollar index, and hopefully at the end of today or tomorrow, I'll make the gold video for the next week. So let's get started here with the US dollar index. Why? Because yesterday we had FOMC, and then I even posted a chart after that in my Telegram that this is what the USD is doing. So let's get started here, and then I'll elaborate here. On the 13th September, I made this US dollar monthly chart saying that this is going to bounce from here. And this is like 61% of this whole rise in A, B, C correction. And I says, maybe we're going to be going up here to this level here before dropping again. So what will happen if US dollar will go up? That's the question. So it's written here that, if US dollar goes up, USD gets strong, and Euro, USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. These four pair will go down, and USD Yen, USD CAD, and USD Franc, they will go up. That's the idea. So at the same time, I made this chart on the 13th that this is what's happening here in the bottom. And maybe it is going to have this Gertle pattern finish, and then it will rise. It was a little bit short of hitting this 78%. Right. So I said, well, once the 78% hit, it's a Gertle pattern and a bullish Gertle, and then we will go up for wave C. That's like A, B, and then C. Then what happened basically is that it came down, but because of the FOMC, came down a little bit more, and then it started to bounce after touching this low. So this is the new chart that you can see that this is what happened. So it came down as low as this one here. So I recorded this chart yesterday that, okay, now it is bouncing from this low here. And this candle, this daily candle was there, and then the new day started, which was today. Right, it is still on the 18th, and let me show you. This is what it looks like now here. Right, so this was the candle. Then I made the chart yesterday, and now we have a nice bullish candle for today already posted, and the new candle started because my broker new day started at 5 p.m. Eastern time, which already happened. Right, it's 6:26 p.m. Eastern time. So we have a new candle in the way, and this is what I think now that this is going to happen. We have a double bottom here, and this is A classic correction, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Or maybe A, B, C. It can come like 3, 3, 3 or 3, 3, 5. Sometimes 5, 3, 5. So all these different kind of correction happen, but you cannot tell them ahead of time. You count them after what happened. But then just the idea you get that what probably going to be next move if it is a correction A, B, and then C comes, or follow up the other way B. So this is what happened, and then this harmonic pattern went bad, right? So it came down here, so no more harmonic pattern. So I just erase everything here. So this chart is not valid anymore. And this is Elliott wave count. Yes, we can go up and then to the upside. Now, so remember what was written there that if USD gets strong, then Euro USD and Pound USD will drop, right? So what I have found today after FOMC, it started to go up. Then this is what happened. Then this is what I got. I got the USD is supposed to be going up, right? USD yen, sorry. So USD yen, and let me show you something else that on my 40-minute chart, I always write that, with the setup, the USD yen 40-minute, and it was an extended mode here, and it's supposed to be bouncing from here. So after having a reversal candle on 40-minute chart, which is this one, then wait for a 7-minute entry or 20-minute entry or both, right? So first entry comes from 7-minute, and then the second entry will usually come on the 20-minute chart, and you can take one of these or both. So I did both. Let me show you. This is a first entry. Then when it became bullish, and I got this one right from 7-minute chart, and this robot is right there. It opened up the trade for me, and it went up all the way to 135, 135 pip, right? And this is USD yen 7-minute chart. But then right here was the 20-minute entry. This is the 20-minute dip here. And I took this one and for another 75 pip. And that is this one. See, the first one was here and the second one was here. This is the entry. You can see the arrow. This is a small arrow that EA opened the trade and boom, it gone. 75 pip. So 75 and 135. So that's 210 pip only from this USD yen today on the 18th. Plus USD, Euro USD and Pound USD is supposed to be going down with the USD strength. So Euro USD, let me see how far it is now. It didn't move much. It did, but the last I checked was only 40 pip positive. Let me see how many pip it is. It is still stupid thing. It's still there. That's why I don't like this pair, But I took it anyway. So yeah, it's 39 pip. It's still. So let me see. I'm sitting on a break even. That doesn't matter. But I got the pound yen for 85 pip. Excuse me. Pound, not pound yen. Sorry, pound USD. So you with USD strength. USD yen went up. That's 210 pip there in two trades, and this is the 20-minute entry. Here, 85 pip. So 210 and 85, 295 pip in these two trades based on the USD index after FOMC. So this is how easy it is if you can understand that and phenomena, and then the analysis, and then my system, this Renko system for precise entry will do the job. So now let's go take a look at what's exactly happening now on the live chart. Is like this is what it is, right? So I had this chart that's gonna go, but it came down, touched the TL and the double bottom, and now trying to bounce again. So I would say that as long as we stay above 0485, we will be going to the upside. Okay, 0485 is this one, and this is 0464. Right, so these are a couple, and then we have to, chop a lot of wood here. This one, this one, this one, and let's see what happens. Now, weekly chart is looking like this. I had this chart here that this is probably it's like wave 1 or A. Then we need to go up for 2 or B. So we came down again, like I said, that's making the double bottom here, and then look at this candle here, huge pin bar, just what we call it, right? Huge one. So this one also was a nice candle, and we had a follow-up. And then this one is a huge one. And then let's see from, what happens from here. Okay, so this one is a weekly chart, the daily chart, which I just showed you. That is what happened. New candle already started, and 0485 is right there. So we need to stay above this and then go. So on a 40-minute chart, this is how it looks like, right? So this is ABC, then ABC, B, and then we're gonna go up for wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. So when on a 40-minute chart, this is where I go by with my harmonic pattern, small harmonic pattern, and then the entries from 2007. So 40-minute chart, to be honest with you, it is right now bearish, means it went up, right? And now if you pull the fifth from here to here, this what is it? Is it in between 61 and 78, very close to 78%. So if it can drop from there to 38% or 23% line, and then if let's say we count the 78 to 23 or 38, and then it goes to 127. So it's not gonna go like a straight line up, up, up. First, it's gonna make waves just like here. So it's up, down, up, down, up, down, right? Then down, then up, then down. So this is like wave A. This is A, and then A, B, C, right? So this is A down, and then B up, and then C down. So this is how it's. Also here you can see how many. So it's gonna go up for wave C, the big one. This one, right? But in what fashion? Probably this is wave 1, and then wave 2 here, and then wave 3, and then 4, and then 5, and that would be wave A, and then comes down for B, and then go up for C, all of that. So I'm looking at this, like I said, that is if we count 78%, then it may drop to 38 or 23, then make a reversal candle and start to go up. At that time, again, the same thing is going to happen. Euro USD, Pound USD will drop, and USD CAD, USD Yen will go up. USD CAD also went up, but it didn't give me any entry. Like I said, Euro USD entries is still there, only 40 pip positive. So I don't record the chart if it's not 50%, 50 pips or more, right? So I got Pound USD 85 and 210 from USD yen from 7-minute chart and the 20-minute chart. So this is how the US dollar index is doing. Again, we have to go a long way to the upside. If this is the one, then we have A, B, and C will probably go 50% or 61 or even 78. Who knows? It all depends, right? So since after FOMC, and then we had some kind of news also yesterday, but it came out very, very positive for USD. And that's the reason that it is getting strong. So we have to take out, we already took out this one, but this is the big one also. So we have to take this out and then go to the upside. Like I said, 40-minute chart, watching these levels and anything here, like a drop and then going to the upside, I will be all over on the USD pair. Now, your USD yen index also going to the upside as I predicted. And let me show you quickly in that. And I had a lot of yen pairs already, yen trades on the back of this up move in the USD yen. I mean, sorry, yen index. Let me show it to you. See, this is the chart, right? So where's the previous chart? Let me quickly get it for you. Yen index, daily, weekly. Nah, I think daily would do the job. Yeah, daily was the one. Okay, so this was my Elliott wave count on the 13th September that I said we're going to be bouncing from this TL towards this. And that will do what? If price goes and stays above 71.79, which is right there, all yen pairs will also go up with it, right? So they're supposed to be going into this area, this index, and all yen pairs supposed to be going with it. So if you see that what I had in the last couple of days, USD yen I already show you, right? And then euro yen for that matter, I had see this one here, 75 pip going to the upside, USD yen both, going to the upside, and some other. I have different places. I don't know where the charts are. I'll show you later. But yeah, so yen pairs going to the upside. I had nice going, these trades going to the upside on the back of this chart here, yen index chart of this. You see that? Nice and clean going up, and we have a lot more to go. We are just around this high here, and then we break that, and then we're gonna come to 72.14, and then break that, and then this open sky to fly. Right? So, like I said, all yen pair are gonna go up. So we're gonna find the entries and keep going and going and going to the upside. All right, so this is it for now for USD gold video. Like I said, that I will make it after maybe tonight sometime. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading day. The one more day we have. By the way, if you're interested in getting the system or my analysis and all of that, then go on my website here and subscribe. And then you have a lot of things here, one-on-one coaching, Elliott Wave course, harmonic pattern course, my EA that opens the trade, and you can see the charts before, after this, that, blah, blah, blah. Here is a Telegram, a free Telegram, where I post time to time that how we are doing. My paid Telegram for my paid subscriber is different, right? With that, you'll be a part of that once you get the, like this one here. Okay, so yeah, this one I post the setups and the after setup as well for the subscriber for what to do every single day, right? So this is it for now, and like I said, that I will make the video on gold later. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Where the heck my thing? I don't know. How do I close it, man? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, it disappeared. Okay, stop recording.